to reference your jQuery custom script in WordPress. So as you can see, we already have this is the formula to include any scripts in WordPress using your child theme. Okay, so the way that you're gonna do it, okay, let's say for instance, so these are functions.php. So we're gonna create a file. Okay, let's call it custom-jquery.js. So this is where you're gonna put all your custom jQuery script. Okay, so now we edit it. Edit. And then now let's just have a basic script here to wrap it. Documents type ready function. So this is the best way for you. Must always wrap it nicely. Okay, and then after that we have a $sign, and then it pastes just a dummy data, a dummy script that you're gonna just test with. Okay, so this one here basically is what the job is doing, is going to pop up a kind of like a call to action. Yeah, so this is just an example, quick example now to do this one here. The best practice for the script is just to have your HTML and CSS separate, but for this testing exercise, you're going to use this in this way just to test if our jQuery is going to fire. All right, so save changes. Okay, so now let's go. Okay, so the way that you're gonna do this one here. So this is really this is just for like kind of like a native JavaScript. So now we just copy the same thing, paste it here, copy it nicely, copy, paste there, and then we're gonna just call it let's call this one here yeah, so we can have it like that to have its own thing, or in the other way we can do it like in the difference in the same, we can just put it in the same enqueue stuff. So what you can do, no, let's just make it its own function because it is just a testing purpose. Some jQuery. Yes, it's custom jQuery. Then here, change the function name. So we're loading the function name there, some jQuery. Okay, so now we need the URL to reference this one here. So we have our path already there. So the way that we're gonna do it, so let's go to check jQuery, and just look for jQuery here, how they're doing that. So we're gonna put also, I'm going to put this this link under the description. So as you can see, this is the way that you include custom jQuery. So yeah, so just have, we're gonna put an array jQuery at the end. All right, so you can have it there. All right, so now let's go. Okay, so we have it there. So our next step now is just to change this one here, jQuery. Okay, that's it. So all right, so this is fine. It's custom jQuery, we have it there. So if you have like later, for instance, you're gonna use all your script in one enqueue script, is just to copy this one here and paste it at the bottom. So WordPress come already with with jQuery built in. So we can just, the jQuery file itself, we can just call it by doing this enqueue, just say jQuery. Okay, let's save changes. Okay, so now we're gonna have to test it to see if it's gonna work out nicely. Go to our templates, refresh. Okay, let's add refresh. Then let's do inspect element. Okay, jQuery is not a function. See, oh, sorry, we forgot to say ready instead of read. Okay. Right, it isn't a function. Let me see this one here. All right. Okay, so now as you can see, this is our sign up is there. Bam, bam. So yeah. So now, so this is the way that you do enqueue your JavaScript, your jQuery file. So all you call jQuery there, the library, and then after that, this is your file. Yeah. So this is the way that you do it. So yeah, so this is the way that you do it, in this way of creating your own functions and stuff. Or if you just want, you can copy this one here and then paste it below there, because of you can put all your JavaScript in one, like Java, all the JavaScript library and stuff like that. It's just one in one enqueue function script. Okay, thank you so much.